Thank you very much. In this morning's Be Healthy Report, if you're like most people, going to the gym can get a little old, right? So is there a way to burn extra calories each day without actually literally working out? Our fitness contributor, Andy Sarubi, is back to help us with some ideas. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
The bundle of energy is in.
I'm ready.
She's ready to go. We're going to burn some calories. So let's do the math first of all.
Yeah.
You're going to help us lose a pound a week, and we're not putting on our workout stuff.
No, you don't even
gym.
have to get changed to go to the gym. I mean, the real issue, everybody says, I want to lose 5 pounds.
It's always 5 pounds.
It's always 5 pounds. What you want to do is just cut enough and exercise just a little bit extra, and 1 pound a week.
So 500 a day.
500 calories a day.
3,500 a week equals a pound.
I'm not good at math. That's the only math I can do.
I got you covered. All right, so sit down and chew. What are you talking about?
Chew. It's the most old-fashioned thing your grandmother said. Chew, chew, chew. The difference between 22 bites and 30 bites is extreme. It's not just the calories you're taking in, it's how you digest it. It helps your metabolism just spark itself right up if the food has been broken down by the enzyme in your mouth.
Stop wolfing it down.
Don't wolf it down.
Take the time and chew. All right.
And also it takes 20 minutes for your body and brain to recognize that it's full. So you need that time. Chew.
Okay, slow it down and chew your food.
How simple is that? Chew.
Be an accountant. Is that one simple too?
Be an accountant. There's so many apps. I have one on my phone. People say, but Andes, you're fit, you're thin. Why do you need to count calories? I say, I stay this way by counting calories. Sometimes they'll be really shocking.
I think everyone likes to hear too that you work at it like everyone else. You're not born this way.
No.
You're not some fluke of nature.
No.
You work at it.
Unfortunately, I have a very slow metabolism. I really do need to work at it, and I need to count calories. Everything I do, from the cup of coffee, if I decide to put cream or sugar in, all the way down to the maybe one Oreo in the lunchbox.
Even you.
Even
Be an
me.
accountant. All right.
I can't help it.
And this one I love because this will even protect your car from getting dings in it. Park far away.
This one is so great. I love this one, and it's so simple. Take your car, park it all the way in the shade, as far away as possible. You'll burn 100 extra calories getting there and 100 extra calories getting back.
And you'll get an arm workout because you've probably been shopping and you've bought a bunch of stuff as well. So there you go.
Yes, and that's another good one. Go ahead, carry your groceries.
Yeah.
Don't use a cart. Use your recyclable bags. Carry them around the store.
All right, now how about this one? Stand up and be counted.
Stand up and be counted. Now, a lot of us are sitting down doing our emails, texting. All you have to do, stand up. Stand up when you do it. Go ahead. Stand at your computer. Make it different.
No, what does that do? So you're using your muscles as opposed to just sitting on your rear.
Yes, because this is the worst position for the body. Everything's compromised. The abdomen spills out. Yeah. So what we want to do is that idea of being upright causes the back to rotate and open as opposed to being concave.
Okay.
When we sit, when we drive, so even if you're just a commuter, you can burn 90 to 100 extra calories and get some muscle structure by just standing up on your commute.
Oh, very quickly, because we're almost out of time. Power sweep?
Power sweep. Have fun cleaning.
Clean the house.
Clean the house. The power sweep. It's easier than it looks, and it gives you a sense of calm.
Grab the vacuum, grab the broom, and you have a clean house to boot. All right, thank you very much, Andy.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
I think we all feel inspired, as always.
Nice
Todd,
and
how about
easy.
you? You going to go clean your house?
I'm inspired to toss the break, ladies. We'll be right back.